Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be opening this cool bike. So let's start. Our dad's going to help us open it.
Guys, this is called the bike. Okay.
Let's start opening it.
Open time.
Wow, look, it's the tire. This is one of the tires.
This is tires wrong.
This is another tire.
All
That means there's two tires.
like tires.
There's another tire. 4 tires. And this is the handle. And this is the handle to the bike.
That's half this rug. This hip. What's your hip?
This is the 4th tire.
The tire hip is this good.
And
That's half this rug. This hip. What's your hip?
this is the 4th tire.
The tire hip is this good.
And this is the charger and the glass that you put at the side of the bike.
Got the scar. What's my scar?
And this is the main part of the bike. And our dad's going to help us take it out.
Okay. Wow!
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 It looks so cool. Let's take it out the box. Almost. These are the axles that we attach to the tires, and then you put it there, and then you can ride it. This is the main motor. It helps you move it around.
It's long. This is tires.
Let's put this together.
There you go, Bob.
Let's start putting it together now.
Go then now.
Let's check the instructions.
Body 系上。
Let's put it together by looking at the instructions.
This is Joe. This is what.
Let's start to fix
Let's
it.
fix it. This part is tie. Look, there, that is right. Bike, with tire. Papa, tire かね。いいかり。出入火力，它几个有的比好的，或者有的比再比我是个嘞，这就 baby， 就是老的，好的 ，baby 是我 TV， 我的 watch the TV and watch 던져볼 밥은 넣을 거야. 어. 하하하하.
As you can see, we've fixed the front axle and we fixed the mirrors. So let's put the tires on now. Let's find the front tires. This is one of the front tires, and this is the second front tire. Now let's attach the front tires. First, let's take the black thing off from both of the sides. And let's fix the tires now. So now let's put this grey type of ring thing on it. So first let's put the washer on. After that, let's put the wheel on, and then let's put another washer on, and then put nut. Then put a nut on. Now let's put the other tire on. Now let's put the washer on first, then the tire, then another washer, and then nut. And then put the plug in and twist it.
Oh, guys, the rug.
Front tires are done now, as you can see. Now we're doing the back tires. So let's give the first. Now let's put the first back tire. Let's put the stick in now. And then let's put the washer on.
Tie. Yine façış. Yine baş. Or başla. Altın baba. Kare ne yapar?
Let's put on the tire.
Okay.
And then a washer.
Wash it in. Okay, textbook.
And then a plug. And then let's tighten it.
Chase it. Test.
Give that the other tire.
Okay. Baba, daddy, yeah. Baba, you can. See, we got it. Fish or about the hair color. About the hair color more. About the hair
Put
color,
the other tire on.
के सीखा नहीं है इसको तो फिक्स करके करना आपा फिक्स करके
Now we fix the tires.
से टायर इसको करना अब इसको करना है इस
Now let's put the handle on. Let's put the handle on harder so you can control it and move it around.
भी मैं और क्या करूँ इसको इसका क्या करूँ पीछे को लगाने से पीछे कुछ नहीं हो रहा कुछ भी पीछे की गाड़ी टूटू वैसी नहीं हो हक मी को तक
Let's put the screw in now.
just you can work and what was this this is fixed
So as you can see, we finished it. So
Then
I'm going to show it around. So
this
this is the pedal that you put your foot on, and this is a wheel, and the batteries on side. We'll connect it shortly. And this is the handle. This is to go. This button to go forward, and this one's to go back. So, and these are the tires. And this is the pedal. They have to step on it when you sit down, and then you can ride it.
those are tight no like tight walk
And with the handle, if you want to go side, you have to twist it side. And then if you want to go straight, do it normal. And then if you want to go it the other way, then do it then twist it the other way.
okay what is it
Let's check the battery. So this is the battery. This is where you connect the batteries with. Now let's put the seat back on. Now let's go outside and ride it around. We fixed the bike and now we're gonna ride it. So let's go!